Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to easily switch between different visuals, specifically a bar chart and a pie chart in Power BI using just buttons. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an interactive report where viewers can click a button and instantly swap between chart types. Not only does this make your reports cleaner, but it also helps your audience focus on the visual that best tells the story. Let's dive right in. First things first, we want to lay out the two types of charts, a bar chart and a pie chart. But instead of cluttering your space with both at once, we're going to let users choose which one they want to see just by clicking a button. It's kind of like toggling between views on your phone, much neater and more interactive. To get started, let's create the first button. Go to the Insert tab and choose the button option. You can pick whichever style appeals to you, but for now, a simple rectangular button works great. Once your button is on the canvas, let's give it a meaningful name. In the formatting pane under button text, type in bar chart. This tells your viewers exactly what they'll get when they click it. It may seem like a small detail, but clear labeling really helps avoid confusion, especially if someone else is using your report down the line. Next, let's add another button for the pie chart. Follow the same steps, insert button, choose the shape, and this time name it pie chart. Try to keep your buttons the same style and size for a professional, consistent look. Once your buttons are ready, it's time to add the actual charts. Click the visualization pane, select the bar chart visual, and with your data set already loaded, populate it with the appropriate data fields. The choice of data depends on what story you want to tell. Maybe you're looking at sales per region or product counts. Whatever it is, just drag your fields onto the axis and value sections. Next up, repeat this process for the pie chart. Add the visual, assign data, and arrange it neatly on your canvas. It's perfectly fine if your canvas looks busy right now. We'll tidy that up in the next steps. Here, where the magic happens, making each chart appear only when its corresponding button is clicked, go up to the View tab and turn on Bookmarks. Bookmarks are like magical snapshots. They remember what's visible and what's hidden at that moment in your report. Let's create the first bookmark by hiding the pie chart in the selection pane. You should now only see the bar chart, not the pie chart. With this view set, click Add in the Bookmarks pane and name it bar chart. Now we need to connect the bar chart button to this bookmark. Select the button, head to its action settings, turn on action, set the type to bookmark, and select the bar chart bookmark you just created. What this does is, whenever the bar chart button is pressed, it will show only that chart, like flipping a switch. Repeat the process, but this time hide the bar chart and unhide the pie chart in the selection pane. Add another bookmark and name it pie chart. Don't forget to link your pie chart button to this new bookmark, using the same action setup as before. Now you're ready to test things out. In Power BI Desktop, hold down Control and click each button. You should see the visuals toggle back and forth just like magic. If they don't quite work the first time, don't worry. Bookmarking can be a little fussy if you miss a step, so just double check that the right visuals are visible before you set each bookmark. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of buttons and some quick bookmarking, you can give your Power BI reports a sleek, interactive upgrade. Your users will thank you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment down below if you got stuck anywhere or have other questions, and of course, subscribe for more straightforward Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.